I've heard a few grumblings that GarageBand is not working very well for people trying to record their voiceovers. So I wanted to give you a different option that may work better for you. And that option, I think, well, first of all, you can use QuickTime Player. There's a record audio version, but there's also this app right here that's called Voice Memos. And if you go to Voice Memos, click the red button. GarageBand is occasionally difficult to use and may not be the best choice for students looking to create their final project. I have created a new voice memo, and I can drag it right onto my desktop right here, usually, unless I'm trying to show you. There it is. I'm going to rename it Final Project so I know what it is. And now if I go over to iMovie and try to import media, I'll get rid of this one first just to show you that you can do it. I can take this, drag it right in here, and there it is. It is now part of my voiceover. So I can just drag it down here, and that can now be your voiceover for the movie that you're making. A little bit easier than GarageBand, in my opinion.